How to use offline files in Windows XP. Microsoft introduced offline files in Windows 2000. Offline files allows you to synchronize your files with your file server, work on those files disconnected, then reconnect and synchronize the files. This is similar to how the briefcase worked in previous versions of Windows, but this is much less prone to corruption or loss of data than the briefcase of old. If fast user switching is enabled, you cannot use offline files. You will need to disable fast user switching to enable offline files. Go to the control panel and choose User Accounts. Click on Change the way users log on or log off. Uncheck Use fast user switching. Click on Apply Options. Close the User Accounts screen and the control panel. Open an Explorer window and go to Tools, Folder Options. Click on the Offline Files tab. Check the Enable Offline Files checkbox and change any settings you wish to. Click Oklahoma once you are finished. Find a folder you wish to make available offline in Explorer. Right-click on the folder and choose Make Available Offline. The Offline Files wizard will appear. Click Next to continue. Check the Automatically Synchronize the offline files when I log on and log off my computer checkbox if you wish this to occur. Click Next. Click Finish to complete the process. Windows will synchronize the files, then your folder icon will change on the folder which is offline. Congratulations! You have now successfully set up offline files.